It's Heidi with Nest Pretty. Nest Pretty is all about making small choices every day, and it adds up to a beautiful life. I hope you had a fantastic day. I know I did. It's a busy street. I'm going to go with the sun in my eyes. Good evening. I want to share with you a little exercise that I did this morning and the profound effect that it had on my day. And the bottom line is that we can do this every day, all day long. So this morning I woke up and I've been playing with the idea of, wouldn't it be nice if I had Mondays off? And I have lots of good reasons for having that desire. It seems brilliant, doesn't it? So this morning, though I didn't have the day off, I imagined what it would be like to have the day off, to have the whole day open in front of me, and what that would feel like. So I used my imagination, kind of played through what the day would be like, and also felt the emotion of what that would be like. So a little side note, anytime we have a goal or a desire, it's always because of the way that we think it will make us feel. So at the end of this little exercise, I felt like, oh, if I had the day off to myself, it would feel so expansive and generous. And it really felt good just imagining what that would be like. And then I said, Heidi, you can feel expansive and generous right now. So that's what I did. And I had the most fantastic day just living into the feeling of expansive and generous. So it's a little tip that you could use if you're reaching toward a goal that you are imagining. I love the exercise of, wouldn't it be nice if? Wouldn't it be nice if? Because it gets your imagination going of the possibilities that are available to you just by using your imagination. So wouldn't it be nice if, answer that question, so much fun. And then what would it be like? Use your imagination. What would it be like and how would you feel? And then the coolest thing is you can feel that right now just by changing your thoughts, just by living into that goal, that thought process, those emotions. So this was super duper helpful for me today. I had the best day. Oh my goodness, so good. And I've actually used this tool a couple of times recently where I had a goal and it was because I wanted to feel a certain way. And then I said, you know what? I can feel that way now. And actually then living into that feeling perpetuates the goal. So it's pretty cool. It actually made me think about, okay, when can I take a Monday off? And then how can I plan it to be the most generous, expansive day ever? So that's what I wanted to share with you today in the little walking in circles. And I hope this encourages you to, number one, try the exercise. Wouldn't it be nice if? Number two, use your imagination. What would it be like if? And then number three, what would it feel like if? And then number four, just choose to do that right now. So Nest Pretty is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. I am a life coach, a closet coach. If everything I just said made absolutely no sense to you and you want to talk about it, just raise your hand and we can have a chat. I hope you have a fantastic evening. I hope your Monday evening is generous and expansive. And we'll talk soon. Bye.